Hi everybody, welcome to today's episode of Curiosity Corner Live. My name is Joy.
I'm Robin.
And today we are going to be bringing you some super cool science because even though the Great Lakes Science Center is closed for the health, safety, and wellness of our guests and our staff, we are still working really, really hard to bring you all of our awesome science content. And you know who's working extra hard is my pal Robin right here. So Robin, I know you've been working tirelessly on getting this amazing channel up and running, and on top of that, all of your other projects. How about you take a nap right here?
Sure, why not? I could use a nap.
What are you doing? Don't ruin your back. I brought you a bed.
So thoughtful. Thanks, Joy.
Yes?
That is a bed of nails.
Yeah?
That doesn't look comfortable to me.
I'll be fine. It'll be fine. There you go. Lots of steel nails. Real nails.
Oh, I get it. It's like one of those magic tricks. They're fake nails, right? As soon as I lay down, they're gonna crush into the ground. I'll be fine. Okay.
Yeah, see, I have here, water balloon, just to show you how safe it is. Oh.
They're real nails.
Uh-huh.
And you want me to lay on them?
Yep. Well, think of it this way. It's all have to do with science. It's all about the distribution of weight. This water balloon landed on maybe like 2 nails. There's about 400 on here. So think of it like this. Would you rather be crossing a bridge with 2 beams to support it or 400?
400 for sure.
400. So your weight is going to be evenly distributed amongst all of those nails, so you shouldn't feel a thing.
All right.
Except a lovely, nice little nap. Now, here, Robin, if you're still nervous, you can put on as much safety as you want.
Okay. Safety is very important in science.
Yes, it is. Robin already has on some safety glasses and a lab coat. She's also going to be putting on a face shield and special gloves like mine. Now, remember, even though Robin's going to be taking a quick little nap, and you can take naps at home, please do not try to build a bed of nails at home. We are both trained professionals. We know how to do this safely. And you know what, Robin, just to make you feel better, I'm going to put on more safety too.
Awesome.
So go ahead, lay it down there on that bed of nails, and see what we get. Go ahead.
Science, right? You said this is fine.
Yeah.
Science.
I'll be fine. All right, so she's just going to ease on down onto the bed of nails.
Yeah, that's no big deal. Easy.
Oh, wait, you know what? I got a pillow. You want a pillow?
Yeah, that'd be great. Pillows make naps much better.
All right, so let me grab you a pillow. You can tuck that under your head there. Nice and cozy. But you know,
That's good.
we live in Northeast Ohio where it's still pretty cold in March. You look a little cold. Are you cold?
A little bit.
So I have a blanket for you.
Thanks, Joy.
Yep. Blanket. How's this?
That's more nails.
Sure is. I'm going to make it even safer because instead of over 400 nails protecting you, you're going to have closer to 900 nails protecting you.
Science.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
So go ahead and lower that on to where you want it. And you know, Robin still looks a little bit cold. So I'm going to add another blanket. Don't worry, it's not more nails. It's just some carpet squares so that way we can catch the debris. Yes, I said debris. Don't worry about it. Now, I'm going to add the most important piece of safety, the turbo sticks. How you doing, Robin? Good? Now, you know what? I want to up the stakes a little bit. So, Robin, do you like cats?
I do like cats. I have 2 of them.
You do? Well, I do. It's great, but now a really big, fluffy cat.
Fluffy? That's not a fluffy cat.
Oh, it's not. Whoopsie. This is a cinder block. So I'm just going to put this on here. It is 25 pounds of cinder block. How's that feel?
Yeah, it's a little heavy.
It's a little heavy. So you know what? I want to take this off, but I don't want to lift it. So I think I'm going to break this into a whole bunch of pieces. How's that sound, Robin? Great. So what's going to happen is when I break this cinder block, the turbo sticks are going to absorb the force, and whatever gets through is going to be spread evenly amongst all of those nails, and Robin will be A-okay. So with this hammer, I'm going to break the cinder block.
It's not a hammer.
It's not?
No.
so much for joining us today at Curiosity